Welcome to all of you. Today I am here to show you how to make Talabat fish ambaltial curry, which is very much useful during lockdown. Yes, during the lockdown we are unable to find fish most of the time. So you can make this fish in a proper manner and you can utilize it for 2 to 3 weeks in this process if you cook. And today I'm going to show you there are two methods of using this fish curry. So I will be tell you how to do it. So one option is you can find this goraka as raw goraka in the shops. So you can take 10 to 12 pieces of goraka and then you have to wash it properly and boil it in little sum of water for 2 to 3 minutes. Then you can grind and take a paste as goraka paste. Or else we can find the instant goraka paste in markets, like includes ginger, garlic and chili and goraka together as a paste in shops. So today I have selected to show you the instant goraka paste for this recipe. So I have taken 250 grams of Talabat fish. You can either select tuna fish or else Talabat or any kind of fish that you can cut into cubes. And here there is pepper powder, turmeric powder, curry powder, general curry powder which includes cumin seeds and coriander seeds and cinnamon powder. Salt, this comes as cinnamon, cardamom, clove, rampe and green curry leaves. And also we need a clay pot because basically the smell comes very nice while using the clay pot. So I have taken the clay pot with the top to close and cook. And also if you don't have curry leaves, you can use banana leaf also, because we have to have more curry leaves to coat the clay pot in the down as a layer. For that you have to use curry leaves or either banana leaf. So you can put that is as a coating to the clay pot before putting the fish into the pot. So let's see how to do one. Now I'm going to put cleaned it very well, the fish, and I have put one, and also I'm going to put the turmeric powder, goraka paste which include garlic, ginger and chili. Powder to this dish. some rampe also for smell. And also you can add some more curry leaf in top of this mixture. And add 20 ml water, just 20 ml of water. And now we are going to close it and cook it for 10 minutes first in the initial period. So now I have put only 20 ml of water and rest are only the fish. So we'll see how we are going to cook it.
Keep
and how
the
it's going
cooker
to come.
in very low flame.
And then you have to close this curry and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes in the initial period. Let's see after 10 minutes. Wow, you can see the smoke coming very well, and the smell also sounds very good, and it's very yummy feel that I can feel through the smell. So now you have to mix this mixture for a while through a spoon. Don't put the fish to the next side. Curry, you just gently give a turn to each piece of fish like this. And also now you can see I have put only 20 ml of water, but now it got increased more than that. So that's how the curry used to come like. And we have to ensure while stopping this dish from this cooker, we have to ensure there won't be any single drop of water in this curry. Then only we can keep it for 2 to 3 weeks. If there is water consistency in this curry, then we can't keep it for weeks time. Then we have to use this curry for 1 to 2 weeks in the sense. Then we have to dry this curry very well without single drop of water. So we have to cook furthermore. Ensure that you put the flame in very low flame, otherwise your curry may get damaged. So we'll see after 10 to 20 minutes time. After 10 minutes time. Till then, please close the pot. Let's see after 15-20 minutes time. Our fish is ready. Now we can stop the gas. And now you can see there is no any further water consistency in this fish curry, and it's fully ready and it's very dry curry. Now we can store this in a glass bottle which is already steamed and dried very well. Then you can store into that glass bottle to 2 to 3 weeks. If you properly store it, then you can use more than 2 weeks. Even a month you can use it. So this is how our ambaltiyal curry looks like. So you can see the curry, actually the fish steamed very well and cooked very well. So this is how this curry goes as. And thank you very much for watching my video. And if you feel this video is useful, then you can share it among with your friends and put a like, and don't forget to subscribe me. It will support me for putting some more video